In this video I'm gonna show you how to crop video in Capcut Video Editing App. It's a super easy process. To learn it, watch the full video. First of all, you have to open your Capcut Video Editing App. Then tap on New Project. Now from here, select your video. Then tap on Add. By following this, your video will be imported to the app. As you can see that, my video is very simple. Now I'm gonna crop this video. At the tools bar, you will see an option called Edit. Tap on this. Now slide left little bit. Then again you will see an option called Edit. Tap on it. Here you will find Crop option. Tap on Crop. Now crop your video as you want. After that, tap on the check mark button. For export your video, tap on the upper arrow icon at the upper right side. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.